Hi guys, today is the 18th of March and yeah, today we had no news and tomorrow we have FOMC, so I won't be trading tomorrow. But yeah, I mean we had news but it didn't really affect the market. It was the yellow folder and we got bullish news for the euro. So yeah, I did get stopped out on this one. So yeah, let's get into it. It's quite an interesting one, shall we say. I'm going to remove all these boxes. This was the previous day high and this was some BPR that we hit, but it is not relevant to this trade. These are the London highs that we did not tap into, but that doesn't mean we can't tap into them. We maybe will tap into them tomorrow. But yeah, so we had at the start of the day, this was an Asian session quite early on in the day. We had this nice order block just here, and I have that marked. I'll move that across so you guys can see from here there to the bottom, and we have this 1 hour fair value gap just here that we disrespected. So the bias was long. However, I was a bit skeptical on the price action, shall we say, when right from here I was expecting it to stop around here and reverse upwards, but we came all the way back down here. So yeah, I wasn't keen on the price action. I think that's the right word to use. But yeah, I only took one entry today. I didn't re-enter purely because of what I just said. I didn't like how the price action was. But yeah, let's get into how I entered and what made me take the trade. So yeah, we had this 1 hour liquidity sweep, so we'll label this LS. Perfect. We had this 1 hour liquidity sweep just here. Swept liquidity well, went up, rallied quite hard, and yeah, I didn't want to get in here. I wanted to see a retrace down into the fair value gap or something. We had this fair value gap here that we held and pushed up from. So then I went on to the 1 minute and I waited for a break of structure, and we got the break of structure just here. And yeah, I got the entry here, I got filled there. And I set my stop loss under the previous low, which was 9.4 pips, and I was targeting these highs from here, which I think is not a 1 hour liquidity. Yeah, it's not a 1 hour liquidity sweep. The 1 hour liquidity sweep would have been up here. I wanted to play it safe and conservative considering how much we had moved down. But yeah, so I wanted to TP here, and yeah, as we can clearly see, price action was very manipulated. I mean, I'm not going to blame it on that because the market does what it wants at the end of the day, and it clearly needed to fill a few more orders before going upwards. Oops. Yeah, clearly needed to fill more orders before going up. Let's just see if we can undo this. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, if we take a look at it, there was an order block. Was there an order block? Yeah, you could call this an order block. This whole thing was an order block, and we came down, and yeah, re-tapped into it, and I got stopped out after seeing this huge wick and then a solid move down. I did not want to re-enter. So I kind of under risked for this trade, but it was purely because I just didn't like the price action. But I did trade because conditions were met, and when conditions are met, you trade. So yeah, price action I wasn't keen on, so I entered with 0.8 lots, and I lost $75 here, which isn't a big loss. I didn't really care about this trade. However, yeah, it would have been nice to win it, of course. Who doesn't like to win a trade? But yeah, it was a 1 to 3 risk to reward, and unfortunately we got stopped out of it on. But yeah, we the bias was correct, so that's a positive. Execution, I'm quite happy with execution. Purely my stop loss should have either been a bit lower to account for this fair value gap here, and even then, yeah, to account for this fair value gap here, and or we could have had the stop loss under here. That just makes the risk to reward quite bad. So I would have had to target probably this area here. And if we do that, that should be a 1 to 2. Yeah, close to a 1 to 2. This would have been a lot better of a trade. But yeah, I wanted to keep a tighter stop loss and keep a good risk to reward. But yeah, other than that, there's not much to say about this trade. I did get stopped out. It's unfortunate, but it happens. It happens to the best of us. Yeah, hopefully you guys got better trades than me today, and hopefully you guys caught the move up or down because there was trades both ways today. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys after FOMC, which is tomorrow. So my next trading day should be Thursday. So yeah, hopefully Thursday I can get a video out for you guys, and we'll see how the price action is after FOMC. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night. But yeah, thank you.